Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today we're going to present about our case study. So my name is Siti Joshnita binti Abdul Aziz.
My name is Hazira binti Zahar.
And my name is Rahani binti Umar.
Okay, so the problem description here is the cost of the spanning tree is the sum of the weight of all the edges in the tree. Minimum spanning tree is the spanning tree where the cost is minimum among all the spanning trees. Minimum spanning tree has a direct application in the design of networks.
What is spanning tree? A spanning tree of an undirected graph is the subgraph that is a tree which includes of the vertices of graph with a minimum possible number of edges. In general, a graph may have several spanning trees, but a graph that is not connected will not contain a spanning tree. And minimum spanning tree. A minimum spanning tree or minimum weight spanning tree for a weighted, connect, and undirected graph is a spanning tree with weight less than or equal to the weight of every other spanning tree. The weight of spanning tree is the sum of weight given to each edge of the spanning tree.
Okay, so there is two ways to calculate the spanning tree. First one is the prime algorithm. A prime algorithm is to find a minimum spanning tree for a weight undirected graph. That means it finds a subset of the edge that form a tree that includes every vertex, where the total weight of all the edges in the tree is minimized. Second one is Kruskal algorithm. Kruskal algorithm find the minimum spanning tree of an undirected edge-weight graph. If the graph is connected, it finds a minimum spanning tree. A minimum spanning tree of a connected graph is a subset of the edges that forms a tree that includes every vertex where the sum of the weight of all the edges in the tree is minimized. For a disconnected graph, a minimum spanning forest is composed of a minimum spanning tree for each connected component. This is Klang Valley Integrated Transit Map. Our route starting point is from Kemas, and then we go to Bandar Tasik Selatan, and we go to Kirara, Putra Heights, Sumbajaya, Jalan Templer, KL Central, Mid Valley, Bandar Tasik Selatan, Salak Selatan, Maluri, Sungai Jenih, and our last point is Kajang.
All fares calculation for every possible routes. Starting point Gemas, ending point Bandar Tasik Selatan. Fares around RM30. Bandar Tasik Selatan to Kinrara RM2. Kinrara to Putra Heights is RM3.60. Putra Heights to Subang Jaya RM3.70. So Subang Jaya to Jalan Templer RM2.30. Jalan Templer to KL Central RM6.40. So KL Central to Mid Valley RM1.60. Mid Valley to Bandar Tasik Selatan RM2. Bandar Tasik Selatan to Salak Selatan RM1.90. Salak Selatan to Maluri RM1.90. Maluri to Sungai Jernih RM3.60, and Sungai Jernih to Kajang RM1.50.
The total fare is RM60.50. So we decided to use the Kruskal algorithm to calculate the shortest path of this journey. So the total shortest path fare is RM20.40. We choose this route because it is the most cheapest route.